let's build a tipper truck. These aren't real parts. I made my fake headlight, or my fake windshield brick here. And we put on the two back pieces and the roof. Then right here, fake headlight brick. Then I kind of made my own wheels to make it look like the ones that come with the kit. And then we can put in the little pieces underneath. Then we got a couple more sets of wheels. Let's line them up. Oh, that one's not lined up. That's why that was giving me fits. There. Now they're lined up. Then we put on the bricks to hold the tipper. And then I made this fake tipper in another video. So there's my tipper truck. It's not real. Some parts probably aren't even Lego. But let's have fun. Thank you from Chuck's Bricks.